beautiful dolls and my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to this your channel. I want to thank you so much for being here, for hitting the play button. I really appreciate you guys. You don't know how much. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, and all the shares you guys have done. I love you bunches. Also, if you're not part of this beautiful doll and sunshine family, I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button like this one right here. And after that, I invite you to go ahead and hit the little bell that comes up right after, just like this one, so it could notify you of any uploads that I have coming or that's uploaded. Thank you so much again for being part of this family, for supporting my channel. I love you all bunches. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. And I'll let you see the video now. Bye.
Okay, well, on this occasion, I will be showing you another trick or technique I learned using these polishers from LaTiN eVoLuTioN or LaTiN nails. Some say LaTiN eVoLuTioN and others say LaTiN nails. Like the bonder says, the bonder here says LaTiN eVoLuTioN, and then the polishers to say LaTiN nails. I think maybe the acrylic based things say LaTiN eVoLuTioN and the polishers say LaTiN nails. Okay, so here I have a prepped practice nail. Let me go ahead and do an almond, and then I'll be right back. And I will see how long this takes, and if I have a chance, I'll try and show you guys something else as well. What I'll be showing you is something I learned in one of the LaTiN workshops I attended. So let me get that almond done, and I'll be right back. So here's my elongated almond in nude. Let me wipe off this powder first. Sorry, I had some powder from the filing my little almond shape better than it wasn't bad, but I wanted to make it crisp for this that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so let's begin. These polishes they dry pretty fast, and like I had said, I'm going to show you what I learned with these polishes at the workshop. So let's begin. I'm going to open this one first, and I'm going to kind of apply it on the edge. I'm just going to be putting it on the tip, but I'm going to kind of make it fun, just make it a little fun nail, just to show you all the polishes, how they all look. So I go on the edge carefully, and then I'm gonna leave it there. And this trick I liked a lot because it helped me a lot in my nails not coming out too thick back in the day. I always had trouble with them when I did acrylic. I would leave the acrylic too thick. Also, it's great when you want to encapsulate 3D, or if you want to really get a really perfect smiling on your almond, on your French. This helps a lot. And if you don't want to stain it with acrylic like sometimes we do, it helps it come out really crisp. And like I said, I'm going to apply all the colors in different parts, kind of make it swatchy, like, I don't know what to explain, like it, but like a precious moments blanket. And yeah, I really like doing this because when I was learning, it would help me not to make the nails too thick. I would still practice not making them thick with the acrylic, but this I really liked a lot because my nails wouldn't come out too thick, and they would come out perfect with the almond. Because when I was learning, I don't know why I always would make them like, it looked like my nails had a wart right where the almond connected to the tip, like the tension anchor. Although I don't do it often anymore, it really helps. It really used to help me a lot, especially when I wanted to do encapsulated 3D, since it makes it much flatter, and you could make it the 3D a little, less bulky when you do 3D on the nail, when you do this technique right here. I don't know. This collection also carries a pink. I don't have it with me. Maybe in the future I will purchase it, but I don't have it as of now. These polishes came in the trolley that I bought, so they're the ones I have. I actually already had the green one, and the white one and the purple one came in the trolley. And there we go. Look how pretty that looks. so cute and ready to encapsulate. And since the polish is really thin, and as you can see, one coat was enough. It was enough to have the perfect coverage, and you didn't have to put more than one coat. So I'm going to go ahead and let it dry really quick. Although it dries really quick, I'm just going to go ahead and set it down, let it dry, and then I will be right back. I forgot to show you that before polishing the tip, I usually like to add this LaTiN eVoLuTioN bonder, just because, you know, just in case it wants to peel off. It hasn't happened with this polish, but I did it when I did the 3D under and then the polish on top to kind of make it look, I don't know what the look is, but the bubble look, it was a bubble look. It did peel off the acrylic because it wasn't this polish one too. I think it was also not adding bonder before I applied the polish. So I really recommend you do that first. And as you can see, I'm showing you the names. It was Berry, Yummy. This one doesn't have a name, but I have the liner, so let me go ahead and get that. And the liner says it's called Double Mint. So it's Double Mint. These, all the colors in their line come in polishes and come in liners. Just to make it easy for you. You could just either buy all the polishes and just, you know, buy a liner brush, or you could just buy both of them and make it easy on yourself. I'm not really good with liners, so I'm just going to try really hard with this one. I like to take it out and circle it around, making sure I get most of the polish off the plastic part. That way it's not dripping when I'm trying to make the lines, because I already have trouble making the straight lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of trace all the colors, like where they attach on the snail. I have like a really shaky hand, so I always have issues with this, but I feel like I'm getting better a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and line all the colors, all the edges, in the messy way that they are. I think it looks really pretty. I think you guys are going to like this. It looks awesome. Another thing, I've tried, and you're going to see it in a video I had before, I think it was Sinful Colors. I tried encapsulating Sinful Colors, and I didn't point it out in the video, and I don't remember exactly how, if I mentioned it or not, or if I filed it in the video or not, but the acrylic didn't dry with that polish. I mean, the polish dried, but the acrylic wouldn't dry with that polish. I don't know why. And when I tried to file, it would like bend the nail. Like the nail was soft, like it was still wet acrylic. So I don't think all the polishes are meant to be encapsulated. This one, they told us at the workshop that you can and nothing will happen. So I really like this one here. There's another polish I did encapsulate. I don't remember what it was, what brand it was, but it wasn't a common polish. And that one was just on a practice nail, so I don't know if anything would have happened with that one. But it didn't get soft or anything. It was also glitter, so maybe that had to do something with that. So I'm going to go ahead and line the French, the smile line to the almond with the, oh my glasses are falling, with the liner as well. Just to give it, I don't know, I like how it looks if it's lined, just to give it a more crisp look. Nail. There we go, definitely look pretty. Also, if you end up touching the almond too high or whatnot, just get a little bit of, a brush. There's a brush you could use for French. It's kind of flat. I've used it for my poly gel as well. You could use it to clean polish on the sides of the nail. You could also use it like right here to clean it so it looks more straight, so you don't have the little bumpy lines, you kind of smooth it out with this and the diluting or the upkeep. And there you go. Look how pretty that looks. Doesn't it look pretty? I love these polishes. They're so pretty. They kind of remind me of frosting and sprinkles. So I missed a little bit right here and I clean that up too. Just kind of smooth it out. And there we go. Now I could go ahead and encapsulate and I'm done. But what I'm gonna do is, I mean, it'll look pretty if I encapsulate like that. You could either add some decoration or some 3D. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna proceed to do some 3D. So once it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and add the 3D onto it. I'm gonna do the 3D in fast motion. That way this video is not too long. Like I said, you could add decorations, do the 3D, and a bunch of stuff. You could just be creative. This collection is not the only polish you could use to encapsulate, but yeah, you could go ahead and encapsulate any of their polishes and nothing happens. And I'm translating this video, so I have no idea what I'm saying right now. I'm trying to remember. Let's just get started with the 3D, and I'm going to do it in fast motion, so this video doesn't take long. And it doesn't hurt the nail at all. So now it's dry. I was wrong. Now I'm going to do the 3D after this. It's dry, one coat. When you do 3D on this polish, it doesn't smear it or anything, so you should be good. So like I said, I'm going to do it in fast motion, and I will be right back. And there is my 3D rose. As you can see, it's level to the almond or reverse technique, so it should be easy peasy to encapsulate. I'm sorry I was off camera so much during this. I thought I was in camera, but apparently I wasn't. I apologize for that. But if you're interested in seeing how I did this flower in real time, or any of the 3D flowers I do, I will post at the end of the video. So here you can see it's encapsulated, and you can see how it's hardened the edges. When I did it with the other polishes, the edges were were bendy. Not the full nail, just the edges were kind of bendy, and when I try to file, it would like almost take the whole corners off. And this one you can see is really hard, and it doesn't bend. And it came out beautiful, beautiful. So let me go ahead and put some top coat on this, and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys liked. This is the end result. This is how beautiful it looks. Something fun you could do with these polishes. Like I said, I'll be doing more videos on this product. I hope you guys liked. I'll be recommending some videos at the end, one with the 3D and one with some other stuff I've used from LaTiN eVoLuTioN. If you're interested, link will be below if you're interested in purchasing this product. There's a Facebook group you could add yourself to, and she's a sales girl. I think she's the only one that sells in the United States. But thanks again for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I love you all bunches. God bless you. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I love you. Bye.